Some dreams are born from pain, some from memories, and some become bridges between souls, reminding us we are still alive. Hey mama,
siyabonga
Nkosi yami,
hlala nathi.
Late at night when the world grows still, I fight silent battles nobody feels. Kidney scars and a weary heart, trying to hold my life together in the dark. Sometimes my breathing fades too low, distant shadows start to grow. Then my mind begins to dream again, like waves returning with the wind. And through the storms inside my sleep, one familiar face still reaches me, not to chain me to the past, but to remind my soul to last. You pulled me back to life again, through drifting tides and restless winds. Not by magic, not by fate, but by a heart that still remained. And maybe God allowed our ways to reconnect through hidden days, like puzzle pieces lost in time, now finding meaning line by line. Oh mama, thando lukhona,
Siyabonga.
KG5 and EBA still remain, old school colors inside the rain. Red and green, the memories stay, though life has carried us far away. We were shy back in those days, silent hearts in different ways. Now the songs explain what words could not, the hidden feelings time forgot. No blame lives inside this song, only two souls growing strong, with sympathy, respect and grace, still seeing light in each other's face. Trying to rescue us from pain.
Maybe memories become the spark
that helps a tired heart restart.
And maybe God already knew
some songs would reconnect us too,
not to keep us trapped in yesterday,
but help us walk another day.
Pull me back to life again,
when darkness tried to pull me in,
and though our roads may separate,
the heart remembers what was grace. Listener and musician become one, like moonlight dancing with the sun. The equation written deep inside, two souls still walking side by side.
Hallelujah, siyabonga,
Nkosi yami,
Demeuri, Derawi, Detapomoa. Hallelujah, siyabonga, Demeuri, Derawi, Detapomoa.
some stories are Some stories do not belong to dreams alone. They become songs, they become healing, they become life.